Take a ride in the 2023 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.